Hi Ali, I just thought it would be easier to make a quick video presentation showing you a couple of ideas that I had for your website going forward, and just let us know what you think. Um, these samples are basically things that we've built in the past, and we sell the themes. So obviously for yourself, we'd be looking to get the theme and just create a completely bespoke a solution for yourself whilst maintaining the actual structure and the look and the actual um, the overall sort of concept of the website. So this is basically for kitchens, bathrooms, and interior design. And I'll show you through three variations of the website. So this particular one that we're looking at right now is basically based on a overall all-rounder. As you can see, it's got a nice fresh look to it. Obviously, the color scheme will be custom made for yourself. It's very clean, it's refreshing. When you just go through it, it's basically the homepage is just a bit more informative. It gives you a little bit of a USP area here, and and yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got a little sort of step-by-step guide as to your sales process, which can be bespoke to yourself. And this is the interesting part. As you do marble, obviously this little area here could potentially be used for like different finishes, and things like that, which so that could help customers sort of with their imagination. So as I was saying, for your product, it's really important to show the product finished, if that makes sense. Like sort of thing, so they can actually get the vision. It will help them sort of imagine what their kitchen or area that they're working on would look like. As you can see, there's marble finishes here as well. So this is one of them, and you've got a testimonial area here, of course, and you've even got a little video area where you could just basically get some images, and just have like a little presentation if you'd like. It just helps marketing, to be honest, on your Google rank. Latest news, very important again. We could guide you towards how to write blogs and keep your website up to date, as well as keeping your customers informed. And right at the bottom, brands. If you want to create brand awareness, if you work with brands, that's always useful to have. So that's basically one of the home pages. Along with the e-commerce side, it's quite simple. It's a nice little shop layout where you can have your product. Obviously, please ignore the dollars and everything else. This is literally just a example. You've got things on the side here to just help customers access products a bit easier, price filters, and you can have all these other filters. Of course, when a customer hovers, you can have categories, on what you're selling. So say, for example, if a customer was to click in the product, they would be presented with this, with multiple images to show what they're buying. And add to cart would essentially take you through the sales process for the customer to order online. And you've got related products and things like that here. The theme is carried out throughout the whole of the website. And then you've got basically book design appointment. Again, it's just about drawing customers into your store as well to come in to get a bespoke quote for the larger jobs. It's just, you can have your details entered, select your store. Obviously, you've got one store, so that will be quite simple, um, selection, and a little bit of information for the customer to actually enter here if they had any specific requirements. You've got your contact us page with a little map, and the relevant information on the left, sort of thing. So it's pretty nice, classy stuff. You can have project pages. Again, it's more just letting customers know what you've done and just creating like a little catalog, if you like, sort of thing. So that's basically one variation. The second variation we have is this one here. So it's a bit more sort of it's got a few more little icons and a few more e-commerce related bits, such as this thing here. If you click that, it actually takes you straight to the product. But we'll just go through this for now. You can look through top featured categories. So again, it's a bit more pushing towards the e-commerce side because it just wants to sell straight away. So you can literally just click a certain category. and the category. It will then obviously take you to the products. Again, some more products and more products and more products. So this one really is just more about e-commerce, trying to sell those products. Of course, you can have some renovation programs for sale as well. I don't know if that's something you can do, but it's there. It just basically gives you're basically buying an entire kitchen, for example, so then again, this just gives you sales leads. Basically, that's what it will be doing. It will be giving you sales leads. Find a showroom, again, it will just take you to Google Maps, and hopefully you'll just generate some leads by doing that. The rest of the pages are the same, the shop layouts and stuff like that. The last one, this one's basically more towards getting those bookings in, rather than, you've still got the shop, of course, but it's just more based on getting leads and getting appointments booked in. It's basically a bit more laid back on the e-commerce style, but more informative, trying to get customers to come in. This is basically what we like to call before and after. So you can literally, it would be like really cool if you could have like a before and after thing, sort of thing. It's just an example, but that's what that's there for. So it's really just to drive that traffic through your website, brochure guides, stuff like that. You could have some PDFs uploaded there where customers can download them. Of course, testimonials, meet the team. Sometimes it's important to put a face to the business. And again, there you go. So boom, after the customer's seen all of that, book an appointment, and then you can get an appointment booked in, along with a really professionally designed latest news area. And again, just finishing off with that clean sort of classy look. So I think, in my opinion, those three would suit your business quite well. I'd look forward to hearing your thoughts. Again, anything from each one of those websites can be sort of molded together to create something unique for yourself. Just tell us what you think, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.